Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NVIDIA is one of the world's most popular technology stocks, known for its AI chips, gaming GPUs, data center hardware, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. So the good news is Tastytrade makes it easy to buy NVIDIA stocks in just a few minutes. So this is the complete step-by-step process for buying NVIDIA stock on Tastytrade in 2026. So the first thing you have to do is open a Tastytrade brokerage account. So like before buying NVIDIA stock, you will need a Tasty account. Okay, so download the Tastytrade app or visit the website, create an account, complete identity verification, and open a brokerage account. Okay, so the next step, so let's say that we already signed up or we already have an account. The next step is to fund your account. So before investing, you will need available buying power. Okay, so here you have to open the account section, open the funding section, link your bank accounts, and then deposit funds. Okay, so after that, cash will be available and buying power will be ready. Okay, so then you have to search for NVDA. Okay, so open the search bar, enter NVDA and select NVIDIA Corporation. Then NVIDIA stock page will be opened and real-time market information displayed. Okay, so after that, open the NVIDIA stock page and start a buy order. Okay, so select buy, choose your brokerage account, and choose an order type. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.